89 is the
89
yep.
and 68.
68 is the temperature.
Okay.
All right. All right. Pull that in. That's number 1.
Yes. That's the moisture test for
Yep.
slab.
Yep.
Before flooring work. And we go to number 2 in this direction.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, 10
9,
total.
10. Yep. 10
Yeah.
total.
Yes, sir.
Number 2.
And you just need to put it there, right?
Yep. And yeah. Number 2. $86 and 68.
So that number 89, that is good, or what's the?
I think it's got to be under 90, so that's good.
So anything under 90, we good.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Number 2.
Okay.
All right.
Number 3.
Number 3.
And I will do the same after 2 days and
Yep.
send you
Yep.
the result.
Yep. 86.
60. So it is changed automatically, right?
Yep. 86.
And if you keep it, return back 86, 68, right?
Yep. Yep.
Good done.
Let's see.
So 86 is good because less than 9.
Yep.
Okay, that's a good sign.
Yeah.
Good for moisture test. And you drill 1.5 inch, right?
Yep. Inch and a quarter.
1.25 inch. Right? It is under the. I just covered. Keep it safe.
$86. 67.
Correct. So this video, guys, about to do moisture test for slab before do flooring work. You can see that's my body.
$86.67.
So same result.
Same as over there.
So everything is good up to now.
Yep.
So with those numbers, also you need me to go back and do it on Friday?
Yep. Make
Even
sure they
if-
stay in the same.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let me see. $85, $69. $85, $69.
Good. Okay, so we will do for 10 today. That's number 7. Okay, so only
8
3.
and 9 and 10.
3 more. Do 10. Take the thermostat. So guys, if you like, just subscribe and like. I'll upload more videos. So here you can see thermostat for inside the building automatically set for 17. And we are doing moisture test for slab. Here you can see for this building before we do flooring. So please like and subscribe. That is moisture test. Thank you guys. Bye.